ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು KPSC ಹೋಮ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 2019ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ KCET ಬಯಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಮೈನೋ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೋಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಕೋಡಾನ್? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಫಿನೈಲಲೈನ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಟೋಫಾನ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲೈನ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಟೈರೋಸಿನ್. ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ tryptophan. Next, in prokaryotes, the transcription of DNA is initiated with the help of option A elongation factor, option B termination factor, option C rho factor, option D sigma factor. The correct answer is sigma factor. The next one, according to Human Genome Project HGP, the total number of genes in the human genome is estimated at 30,000. The number of genes present on Y chromosomes are option A 242 genes, option B 2898 genes, option C 2968 genes, option D 231 genes. The correct answer is option D 231 genes. Next one, in a crime investigation, the investigating officer collects different biological samples from the crime spot for DNA fingerprinting analysis. Which of the following samples is not helpful in this analysis? Option A erythrocytes, option B hair follicles, option C skin threads, option D semen sample. The correct answer for this one is option A erythrocytes. The next one, a mature messenger RNA consists of 900 bases without any stop codon in between. Calculate the number of amino acids coded by this messenger RNA during translation. Option A 299, option B 450, option C 900, option D 300. The correct answer for one is option A 299. Okay. Next, which one of the following ecosystem has the highest annual net primary productivity? Option A tropical deciduous forest, option B temperature evergreen forest, option C desert, option D tropical rainforest. The correct answer for option D tropical rainforest. Next one, of the total incident solar radiation, the percentage photosynthetically active radiation, that is PAR, captured by the plants are option A 2 to 10% of PAR only, option B 30 to 40% of PAR only, option C 10 to 20% of PAR only, option D 0 to 10% PAR only. The correct answer is option A 2 to 10% of PAR only. Next one, the historic convention related to conservation of biological diversity is also known as option A Kyoto Protocol, option B Montreal Protocol, option C Earth Summit, option D World Summit. The correct answer is option C Earth Summit. Okay, the next question is, which one of the following human activity has contributed to deforestation in northeastern states of India? Option A industrialization, option B gum cultivation, option C urbanization, option D monocropping. The correct answer is option B gum cultivation. Okay. Next, 10th one, in an area where DDT has been used extensively, the population of birds declined significantly because option A birds stopped laying eggs, option B earthworms in the area got eradicated, option C birds become vulnerable to predators, option D many of the eggs laid by the birds showed premature breaking. The correct answer is option D, many of the eggs laid by the birds showed premature breaking. Next one, which of the following photozoan parasites causes sleeping sickness? Option A or entomoeba, option B Trypanosoma, option C Plasmodium, option D Leishmania. The correct answer is option B. Next one, which of the following phyla possess body cavity as shown in the diagram below? The option A Porifera, option B Coelenterata, option C Annelida, option D Acelminthus. The correct answer is option D. Okay. Next one, testa and tegmen of seed coat represent dried sepals, dried petals, dried integuments, dried tepals. The correct one is option C dried integuments. The next question is, the trees growing in temperature regions show clear demarcation between spring wood and autumn wood. This is because option A, the water stress is more, the climatic conditions are not uniform throughout the year, the climatic conditions are uniform throughout the year, or the temperature is high. The option is B, the climatic conditions are not uniform throughout the year. Okay. Next one, identify the part labeled as M in the diagram given below. The option A, kinetochore, option B, satellite, option C, chromatid, option B, centromere. Okay, the correct answer is satellite. Next one, which of these is not an advantage in genetically modified crops? Reduces the reliance on chemical pesticides. Option B, increases the post-harvest losses. Option C, increases efficiency of mineral usage in plants. Option D, enhances the nutritional value of food. The correct answer is option B, increases the post-harvest loss. Guys, please subscribe to our channel KPSC for more interesting videos like this. Okay. Next one, some multinational companies have exploited the traditional knowledge of the indigenous people to produce commercially important bioproducts without their consent. This is an example for option A, bioprospecting, option B, bioremediation, option C, biopatent, option C, biopiracy. The correct answer is biopiracy. Next one, in amphibians and reptiles, the body temperature changes corresponding to external temperature. The organisms which show this kind of response is termed as regulators. Option B, conformers. Option C, partial regulators. Or option D, thermophiles. The correct answer for this one is option B, conformers. Next one, assertion and reason. Okay. The monarch butterfly feeds on poisonous weeds during its caterpillar stage. Reason, it helps butterfly to become distasteful to its predator. Which are these options correct? Okay. The A is true and R is incorrect. R is its correct explanation. B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C is true and R is false. Okay. Option D, both A and R false. The correct answer is option A. A is true and R is its correct explanation. Guys, take a screenshot of this one. Next one, from the given options, identify the correct combination of population interactions that corresponds to the symbols given. Okay. Option A, predation, competition and commensalism. Option B, mutualism, parasitism, amensalism. Option C, parasitism, competition and mutualism. Option D, mutualism, competition and commensalism. The correct answer is option D. Okay. The next one is, identify the correct incorrect statement with reference of biocontrol agents. Option A, they help to increase the use of synthetic pesticides. Option B, they do not affect non-target pests. Option C, they do not show any negative impact on crop plants. Option D, they are significant in treating ecologically sensitive area. The correct answer is option A, they help to increase the use of synthetic pesticides. Next one, a farmer has applied chemical fertilizers in his crop field for many successive seasons. In the next season, the crop growth was poor as soil lost its fertility. Suggests the suitable microorganisms that replenishes the fertility of soil in this field. Option A, nostoc. Option B, spirogyra. Option C, spirulina. Option D, chlorella. The correct answer is option A, nostoc. Okay. Next one, in cloning vectors, antibiotic resistant genes are helpful for option A, selection of recombinants. Option B, cleaving of vectors by RNA. Option C, transfer of foreign gene to the host. Next one, option D, making the host cells competent. The correct answer is Option A, selection of recombinants. Next one, a student while extracting DNA from Aspergillus fungus requires dash enzyme to break upon the cell wall. Option A, lysozyme. Option B, chitinase. Option C, cellulase. Option D, pectinase. The correct answer is option B, chitinase. Next one, identify the DNA sequence which can be cut using Ecroi. Next, the options are A, B, C, D, and okay. This one, take a screenshot of this also. The correct answer is 25. 25th is A. Option A is okay. Next one, the brain capacity of Homo habilis is A, between 650 cc to 800 cc. Option B, 1400 cc. Option C, 1800 cc. Option D, 900. The correct answer is option A, okay, between 650 and to 800. Next one, in Bougainvillea and Cucurbita, the auxiliary bud is modified into thorn and tendril respectively. This is an example of option A, divergent evolution. Option B, convergent evolution. Option C, co-evolution. Option D, microevolution. The correct answer is option A, divergent evolution. Guys, sorry for the pronunciation, okay, it is very difficult. Next one, identify the incorrect statement. Option A, pneumonia is a bacterial disease. Option B, ringworm is a fungal disease. Option C, HIV is transmitted by mosquito bite. Option D, cancer is a non-infectious disease. Identify the incorrect statement, okay. The correct and incorrect statement is option C, HIV is transmitted by mosquito bite, okay. The next question is, a person shows symptoms like sneezing, watery eyes, running nose, and difficulty in breathing on exposure to certain substance in air. Which type of antibody is produced during such conditions? Either option A, B, C, D. The correct answer is option A, okay. Next one, a man was suffering from mental illness like depression and insomnia. Identify the drug which is normally used as medicine in such cases. Option A, LSD. Option B, heroin. Option C, morphine. Option D, nicotine. The correct answer is option A, LSD, okay. Next one, what is the function of protein GLUT4? Option A, enables glucose transport into cells. Option B, functions as intercellular bound substance. Option C, acts as an enzyme. Option D, fights for infectious agent. The correct answer is option A, enables glucose transport into cells, okay. Next one, cells in the quiescent stage show indefinite proliferation. Option B, remain metabolically active. Option C, always become cancerous. Option D, remain metabolically inactive. The correct answer is option B, remain metabolically active, okay. The next one, consider the following statements 1, 2 and 3 regarding criteria for essentiality of the nutrients in the plants. Option 1, the presence of elements is must for plants to complete their life cycle. Second, the role of the element can be replaced by another element. The element must be directly involved in the metabolism of the plant. The correct statement is third one is C, 1 and 3, okay. This one, 1 and 3 is the correct statement following regarding criteria for essential of nutrients in plants, okay. Next one, 1 and 3 is correct, okay. Next one, during chemiosmotic synthesis of ATP in photosynthesis. Option A, the proton gradient is not required. Option B, the protons accumulate within the lumen of the thylakoids. Option C, the protons accumulate in the intermembrane space of chloroplast. The option D is the protons accumulate in the intermembrane space of mitochondrion. The option C is 34 is B. Okay, the protons accumulate within the lumen of the thylakoids. Next one, when tripalmitin is used as respiratory substrate in aerobic respiration, the process consumes 145 molecules of oxygen and releases 1 or 2 molecules of carbon dioxide. Then RQ value would be 0.7 or 1.0 or 0.5 or 1.4. The correct answer is option A, 0.7. Okay. Next question is, identify the enzyme that catalyzes the step labeled as M in the given schematic representation of replication of retrovirus. This one labeled M. Okay. Option A, RNA polymerase. Option D, DNA ligase. Option C, reverse transcriptase. Option D, recombinase. The correct answer is C, reverse transcriptase. Next one, 37. Okay. In animal breeding, the maximum genetic variations can be achieved through outcrossing, crossbreeding, inbreeding, or interspecific hybridization. The correct answer for this one is option D, interspecific hybridization. Okay. The next one is, the oil content and quality of a groundnut variety was improved by plant breeding technique. This is an example of biomagnification, or option B, biofortification, option C, bioremediation, or option D, biodegradation. The correct answer for one is biofortification. That is, oil content and quality of a groundnut variety was improved by plant breeding technique. Okay. Next one, option question, microbes like spirulina can be good alternative to the conventional sources of proteins for human nutrition because they give more biomass in less time, because they produce using synthetic fertilizers, or their proteins are different from plants protein, or they have high fiber content. The correct answer is option A, they give more biomass in less time. Okay. Next one, consider the following morphological, biochemical, or physiological characteristics of plants. 1. Presence of hairy leaves. Option 2. Production of more nectar in flower. Option 3. Third one, high sugar content in plant parts. Next, presence of higher aspartic acid. The correct combination statements are for this one is D. Okay. 1 and 4. That means presence of hairy leaves and presence of higher aspartic acid concentration. Okay. The next one, in the following diagrammatic representation showing stages of embryonic development, identify the type of growth phase labeled as M and N. Okay, this one, M and N. The correct answer for this one is C. M is geometric phase and N is arithmetic phase. Okay. Next one, indigestion of fats in humans may be an indication of option A, under secretion of saliva, option B, under secretion of amylopsum. Next, option C, intestinal ulcers, option D, inflammation of liver. The correct answer is option D, inflammation of liver. Okay. Next one, choose the correct statement from the following. Option A, histamine, serotonin and epinephrine are secreted by basophils, or option B, person with blood group AB can donate blood to the person with blood group A. Next, option C, erythroblastosis fertilis may result when fetus is Rh negative and mother is Rh positive. Option D, atherosclerosis is often referred in angina pectoris. The correct answer is the correct statement for this is 43 is A. Okay. Next one, in blind spot of human eye, option A, only cones are absent. Option B, only rods are absent. Option C, both cones and rods are absent. Option D, both cones and rods are present. The correct answer is option C, both cones and rods are absent. Next one, a boy after attaining sexual maturity shows muscular growth, growth of facial and auxiliary hair, aggressiveness and low pitch of voice. These changes are attributed to dash hormone. Option A, testosterone. Option B, glucagon. Option C, estrogen. Option D, secretin. The correct answer for this one is A, testosterone. Next question. Identify the odd one among the following disorders. Option A, sickle cell anemia. Option B, thalassemia. Option C, hemophilia. Option D, phenylketonuria. The correct answer is 46 is C. Okay. Next one. From the chromosomal complements given below, identify the one which show female heterogamity. Okay, take a screenshot of this, guys. Okay, 47 is option B. Okay, next one. In Morgan's experiment with Drosophila, when yellow-bodied white-eyed female was crossed with brown-bodied red-eyed male and their F1 progeny were intercrossed, what was the percentage of recombinants in F2 generation? 98.7%, 37.2%, 62.8% or 1.3%. The correct answer is D, 1.3%. Okay, next one. In the following symbols used in human pedigree analysis, identify the symbol that denotes of consanguineous mating. 49 is option A. Okay, this one. Next one. Which of the following nitrogen bases is found only in DNA? Adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. The answer is option 50. Question 50th is D. Okay, thymine. Next one. The nourishing cells in the seminiferous tubulus are Leydig cells, spermatogeneal cells, follicular cells, Sertoli cells. The answer is 51 is D. Okay, Sertoli cells. Next, if in a normal menstruating woman, menses occur on 5th April, what will be the expected date of ovulation? 18th April or 14th April? Option C, 10th April. D, 29th April. The correct answer is 52 is option A. Okay, next one. Identify the cells represent as P, Q, R and S in the given schematic representation of spermatogenesis. R. The correct answer is for the 53rd is A. Okay, this one. PQRS on the primary spermatocyte. This one. Okay, guys, please take a screenshot of this one. Next one, the method of natural contraception which requires correct knowledge of menstrual cycle is option A, lactational amenorrhea. Next, B, situs interrupts. Option C, periodic abstinence. Option D, IUDs. Okay, the answer is option C. Okay, next one. A childless couple visit assisted reproductive technologies, that is ARTs, centers to get assistance to have a child on diagnosis. It was noticed that there was low sperm count in the male partner. Which of the following strategy of ART is most suitable in this case? AI or IVF or GIFT or ZIFT? The correct answer is A, AI, artificial insemination. Okay. The next one, plants like Merchantia and Funaria produces gametes by mitosis because option A, plant body is haploid. Option B, gametophyte is diploid. Option C, they are gametophytes. Option D, they are dioecious. The correct answer is plant body is haploid. Next, identify the asexual reproductive structure M in the following diagram. Option A, bird. Option B, conidium. Option C, zoospore. Next, option D, gimule. Okay, the correct answer is option A, bud. Okay, next one. In some plants, stigma and the another mature at different times because it facilitates self-pollination, it facilitates cross-pollination, it attracts pollinators, it prevents cross-pollination. The correct answer is facilitates cross-pollination. Next question. Nowadays, agriculture practice is expensive to the farmers as they need to purchase hybrid seeds every year. Which of the following strategies can be employed to overcome this problem? Option A, production of apomacetic seeds. Next, option B, parthenocarpy, or option C, synthetic seeds, or option D, conventional plant breeding. The correct answer is A. Okay, sorry guys for the pronunciation. Next one. Identify the correct order of steps involved in artificial hybridization in plants. The correct order of steps involved in artificial hybridization is the correct one is D. Okay, emasculation, bagging, artificial pollination, and rebagging. Okay, this one, option D, is correct. Okay, for the 60th. Artificial hybridization. Next one. Sorry guys, sorry for the pronunciation. Guys, please subscribe to KPSM for the videos like this. If you like this video, please give us a like. It will inspire us for more videos, for making more videos. Okay, thank you.